Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Dell Latitude 7030 Rugged Extreme Tablet. This isn't your average tablet, it's built tough to handle the most demanding environments. Let's kick off with the unboxing and first impressions. The Dell Latitude 7030 comes securely packaged, and upon unboxing, you immediately notice its compact durability. Despite its 10.1-inch form factor, it feels robust and ready for action. Moving on to design and build quality, this tablet is a hybrid marvel. It's designed for versatility with an ecosystem of accessories from a detachable keyboard to various mounts and chargers. The rugged exterior is reinforced for durability, perfect for outdoor use. Now, let's talk about real-world performance. Powered by a 12th Gen Intel Core i7 processor and up to 32 GB of RAM, this tablet delivers excellent performance. It runs Windows 11 Pro smoothly, making it more akin to a full-fledged laptop than just a tablet. The Latitude 7030 excels in practicality. It's equipped with dual removable batteries for extended use and a 10.1-inch FHD display with 1000 nits brightness, ensuring visibility even in bright sunlight. Connectivity options like 5G and Wi-Fi 6E keep you connected on the go. In conclusion, if you're in need of a rugged device that combines portability with powerful performance, the Dell Latitude 7030 Rugged Extreme is an excellent choice. Its modular design and robust build make it ideal for professionals working in tough environments. That wraps up our review of the Dell Latitude 7030 Rugged Extreme Tablet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.